Hi buddies, how are you? Today I'm going to telling about how to your schematic diagram convert to PCB layout diagram using EasyEDA. Friends, I have a small request from you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay, now we start the tutorial number 2. Okay, now we start the lesson. First of all, I start the Chrome browser. I place the EasyEDA bookmark. Now I open it. Now we open this icon and EasyEDA designer. Click the Pro Edition. It is open in another new tab. Our last day project is here. I open it, double click. Here is the last day created schematic diagram. I place some another connector to DC output side. Click the connect 2 pin connector. Ctrl C pressed and Ctrl V on keyboard shortcuts. Press it. Zoom in using your mouse roller button. Zoom in and zoom out. Spacebar for rotate it. Alt plus W short key is used for get the wire. Here is the positive. Here is the ground wire. Now I am going to convert this schematic diagram to PCB layout diagram. Before convert it, we need save the schematic diagram. Save successfully. In this toolbar, we had the button update convert schematic to PCB. Now we are going to press it. It is automatically convert to PCB layout window. Here is some information. Now you press apply changes. These are our all the parts. Now we are going to place it to suitable positions. Right click, rotate left, or click and spacebar. We can rotate it or we can flip it. Control Z, undo. Now place the diodes. Capacitor you can place at suitable position. Place the output connector. Now next we need to create board outline. Next, now we create board outline. We get the fill region tool, click and drag it. Then type of the in the property tab, the type category, choose the board outline. Line width you can set it 30 mils. Confirm it. Board outline always at color this purple color. Now I create the track lines. It can create automatically auto routing using auto routing. This is the option auto routing. If you need top layer and bottom layer, you can choose the both ticks. but now I want to only bottom layer. I click only bottom layer and run it. Here connection tracks are available, but connection tracks are very thin. All are in 10 mils. These 10 mils connection tracks are very thin, like a hair. We need to increase the track line width. I am undo the connection tracks. Okay, next I am going to designing tab has designing rule. Okay, designing rule has many settings. I am select track. I change the units 4 mils. Here track with default is 10 mils. I set it 40 mils. Minimum width also 40 mils. Forty mils. Apply, confirm. Now I going root, auto root, only bottom layer, run it. Wow, it is create 40 mils track. It's four times larger than previous track. But one line didn't create the automatic routine. We need to create it manual. I got the shortcut here, single routing shortcut. Click on starting point. It is going to red color. It is identified top layer, but I need only bottom layer. I change to this pencil is identify drawing layer. I change that pencil mark to bottom layer. Okay, it is easily convert to bottom layer track. At that point I create the wire. Here it is double click and automatically set the wire. It is automatically going to top layer jumper. After again I double click it, automatically create the wire and automatically convert to bottom layer. After top of that connection I click it. It is end the path. Okay, our PCB layout diagram is over, but we need some unused copper area. We need to save, protect the tracks. We get the copper area shortcut. Click that point and drag to this point and click again. Here's the setting. What is the copper area type? Copper region. Name for copper pore. What is the layer? Layer is bottom layer. We select. Not need some nets. I delete it. Fill style, fully fill, solid fill. Keep islands, no. Minimum optimize width is set 20 mils. Okay, now confirm it. Then it automatically create. After that press the button rebuild copper region. Oh no, keep island setting is need to set yes. At that copper pore area need to connect with some ground layer, but this diagram not connected to ground layer. It is need to set keep island yes. At that layer connect to ground, then it set to no. but now need to set yes. Okay, this black area has no copper. Okay, now I am going to stop that lesson today. We will meet again how to convert this layout diagram to PCB manufacturing. Will we meet next lesson? Okay, good day.